So I don't know, when they there with the Maroon Emperor, and when I don't know, say we are the people that tell the truth and make them know the truth, and we come to free up all of the people them who them tell lie upon. Now people, we there now with Talbas, the truck driver people, you understand, and want to know. Him never get no call, lie them tell upon him. Him never get no $100,000, lie them tell upon him. And him never ask $1 more people. You understand? Him just get a call for come pick up a couch people, and him drop off the couch people at the car wash people, and then him leave. You understand? But enough of them tell lie upon the man, and the press and the media tell lie upon the man, and was set up the man. So me now as a Maroon Emperor, they have to protect all of my Maroon people them. So Talbas. So alright, make you know how it go now. You there the hardware, right?
Yeah, me there the hardware.
Yeah.
Like a normal day, all the way there on the front of look where.
Yeah.
See this car driving.
Yeah.
One of my brethren said something to it, like I said, transport, and when I'm pass him, come up and see him stop where one youth there.
Yeah.
The man, the youth attack like about not even 1 minute.
Yeah.
And the youth wall up him head and said, so I'm so I go and youth said, Charlie, come here where I'm man, I said.
Yeah.
I go to him and say, I'm a carry a settee.
Yeah.
So I say, 3 piece.
Yeah.
Where I carry the single, the 2 and the big one. Him said, no man, just 1 piece. So where I carry it from? So from New Kingston to Half a Tree.
Yeah.
So I give him $6,000. So him don't have 6, him have 5.
Yeah.
So alright, come in now. Him say drive back on me. Drive back on him.
Yeah.
Reach at this apartment.
Yeah.
When I go to the apartment,
yeah.
Security walk me gate, people there. Everybody a move around. That about. What I call us about after 11 I go to 12.
In the night or morning?
Day, we don't work at night. We don't work at night.
No, we just want to set it for me the people know so daytime him come for you.
Yeah, broad day, sun out, everything there.
Yeah.
We go in to see people and things. I pull my truck side, pull my truck side and them the upstairs.
Yeah.
They the couch. So when them there, they the couch now. I say, alright. When you just send it over here, sir. But we can get it done easy.
Yes.
Them send it down over the rail, me and the youth down there take it, put it on the truck.
Yeah.
See? I put it on the truck, lock up the truck, and put it on, me get a strap and me strap it. That's it now, lean left and right.
Yes.
Boom. Him come down, him go in him car, him say drive back. I say, where we are going now? Him say, drive back on me, Half a Tree.
Half a Tree, yeah.
I will turn for Half a Tree road and I go, like we are going down in Half a Tree, and turn at the battery place.
Yeah.
Follow him, because remember drive me, I drive back on him.
Yeah.
Reach down to Linda's Road.
Yes.
We take a right turn.
Yes.
Going out back like we are going to Maxfield now.
Yes.
You see him put on an indicator, a left indicator, and put on mine.
Yeah.
When we turn in, I see it's a car mart place. So you know where I look left and right, I see a car mart.
Yeah.
I look on one of the car them and say, what? Boom, when I look, see a youth come pull a gate.
Yeah.
Show where a gate was show boy. When the gate show where I'm driving in there, so. I say it's a car wash,
yeah,
a bar and thing there.
Yeah.
Nice little place.
Yeah.
So, park my truck on the left hand side.
Yes.
Lock off the truck, come out.
Yes.
Jump up now the truck, pull the strap. Pass the next side gate. One side of the couch, the youth will come in.
Yes.
And pass the next side gate, the youth will me carry.
Yes.
Where give me the rear.
Yes.
So, me give him that. Them say, put it here, sir. By then, when them put on the couch, she like him a talk to a lady.
Yeah.
But to me, them not hear what them say, but me see him and a lady have a talk.
Yes.
Anyway, me come out now, me wrap up me, throw in the strap, lock up my truck back. So yo bossy, him give me my $5,000. Jump on my truck.
Yeah.
Started, ready for reverse out now. I realize him carry kind of away. So I make my second call him carry down him carry. I turn and I come out.
That's the BMW?
I don't know if I do, I think it's a silver car.
The silver car. Alright.
Boom. We reverse now and I drive go back a face.
Yeah.
Boom. Then I do my work, get one and my virgin call me for Charlton, I go do one work team, come back.
Yeah.
Boom, me there now, I get a 5 yard of sand, 5 yard of gravel to carry.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm carry the gravel.
Yeah.
So, anyway, you know, when I carry the gravel, I realize that the truck, like the brake kind of soft. So I call my sister and say, yo, truck brake soft, you know.
Yeah.
Back wheel a leak, the fluid a leak out of the back wheel.
Yes.
So I have a next work to do. She said, brother, you can't drive it, so? So no, I'm going to call my next sister and give her the work.
Yeah.
Like she do it. Call my next sister and she do it. Which do work what we do? For auntie, so a family thing. So I
yes,
make
a
my
family
next
business.
sister go do it.
Yeah.
Park the truck on my yard now. Next day now, my
Police.
sister goes so, boom. Then I call the mechanic and thing, say alright. So me I go check out the place now where we can get the washer for each truck.
Yeah.
I borrow a car. She said, man, you me no want you have my car in a bragging thing. I said, no man, a business me I go do. Anyway, on my way I go check the thing. When the man tell me so I can't get it, so I have to carry a sample. So I call the mechanic. He said they are country I do a work.
Yes.
We have to go wait till him come up and pull it down and we carry it for deal with it.
Yes.
Boom, now me go to kills. Back up my sister car there. I look, I see police and thing.
Yeah.
Me I look at my virgin and say, oh, so much police are there, sir. What could I go on?
Yeah.
Boom, now, go in there, I buy my tea, come out. There, me get a one work. When my boss come, tell me, say, me know my truck anyway, I give my virgin it.
Yeah.
Charge a man $15,000. We carry up 50 cement, 50 length of steel, 9 sheet of plywood already.
Yes.
My virgin, me give him the work, him say, alright, give me 12 grand. And give me 3 grand.
Yes.
3 grand when he give me now, that's for me.
Yeah.
And him go do the work and thing. Me there. Sister called me and said, where is our car? I said, alright, me so come. By then, me look, me get a call. On my phone, so my next sister said, the supervisor in our field called her.
7. Yeah. Yo, where that?
Call her and say, let me ask for Charlie license plate truck. When I ask the mommy truck for, so I say,
Yeah.
mommy truck, who them could I ask the mommy truck? She said, go inside. So I go inside. Me go in there now. I walk around like usual. Nobody no say nothing to me. So nobody no say nothing to me.
Yeah.
So me come on my yard now, my little sister now. Me reach my yard. Like police there kills on my yard. Because I tell you I left police out there. So I reach my yard. I be a police there my yard.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know so them come to me or not. So park here and come cross. So I reach my gate, man say, we want to get in person for this truck. I said, this truck? For what, sir? I said, alright, this truck here, we need it on the driver. I said, on the driver? For what, sir?
Oh, so them never know, sir, you are the driver. So let me say, if you're the guilty, they run gun left them.
Yeah, me
because
yeah.
they cover the ask you now for the driver either. That means say them never know who are the driver. That means say if you didn't know nothing, you're not tiptoe left them. So that part they clear you up again, make the people know so you don't have nothing for this job you're doing. So continue.
Am I mother truck?
Yeah.
The original driver, him get something and do him own thing, you know. So me I go and drive it for a month. Him say, alright, you go on your license.
Yeah.
Take my license and we are going to come with me. I say, big man, me need to know what this about.
Yeah.
You can't just come I take my truck and everything and want to carry me away. I don't know where I'm going. I need to know where I'm going.
Yes.
He said this is sensitive or delicate. One of them murders. So
Yeah.
when you reach up, so you know where I'm going.
Yeah.
Anyway, by then, my sister got to beat. She never go to work. She had work, but she had work from yard.
Yeah.
So she come out and dead there and thing. Them say them want the truck feed, so she go feed.
Yeah.
Boom. By the time truck key come and everything, I see record everything that they already saw.
Yeah.
I turn to another officer and I say, what this thing serious, man?
Yes.
One say, seriouser than you talk. I say, what you mean seriouser than I talk? Big man, you get me scary now, man. What you mean by serious? The man say, as I tell you, when reach up so you know what is what.
Yes.
She have follow them.
Yeah.
So I say, alright. Anyway, she have left me, our baby with my daughter now in her yard, you know.
Yeah.
Just to all of this, you know.
Yes.
Log out her work and them something there, you know. So, anyway.
Yeah.
Them turn to me and say them I carry the truck go half a tree. Me know in the police jeep now. So me say, big man, in my young days, I never find no problem with police like this. And now me a big man. Look how you know me feel embarrassed. Look how much people are look on all of them things. All of them things wanna come down on me. And I know nobody can say nothing to me.
Yeah.
Me feel embarrassed. Me not like them things.
Yeah.
Anyway, now we got some book and we here. One of them get a call and me heard it. Turn to the next one and say, when I carry the truck go half a tree. My sister in her Fiat car, you know, she don't know nothing about this car. Me alone in my police car. So
Yeah.
anyway, me have my phone. So when them the truck and we wait to where them I carry the truck. My sister called my phone in the police car and said to me answer the phone now. One of them say, you can answer your phone, man. Me answer my phone. When them I carry the truck, I say, me don't know. Then I say, half a tree, where them I go up here, so I say, sis, me don't know. We have to just do what them I do. Anyway, them reach a one place and truck. Record couldn't carry it in 100%, so I may have to drive it in, park it.
Yeah.
Boom.
So which location that them we carry truck now? Constant Spring half a tree.
Then I go Conscience Spring and then I go half a tree. That are somewhere up here I go Papi in way up our one police station up there. So.
Papi police station.
So from there so now you end up find yourself a Indicom.
Yeah.
I reach a Indicom now, them ask me be a question. Them start to ask me about if me carry this settee and wear it. I say, settee, me do all the work wear it. And them, now them say, in New Kingston, I say, yeah, me thought so.
Yeah, you find out now which one them talk.
Yeah, because out of the end of the week, me do that. So them say, where you carry it go? Them question me, tell them, say, yeah, me carry it. We get it and we carry it from there so to half a chair and car wash.
Which road the car wash in the pan? Which shot the car wash in there? Which shot half a tree?
When you go down from half a tree, you turn from Harbor Park Road like you go to Maxie.
Yeah.
Yeah, round other place. Round where Ding Dong them the dancer come from, man, Shelly Belly.
Yeah.
Pana Road, they come here always see Shelly Belly out there, so.
Yeah.
It's some Japanese and Wallipop people.
Yeah, so the car wash have a car mat on the front.
Yeah. When we drive in a car mat, everything there. And then we go in a car wash.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know, me out there so hours, you know.
Yeah.
About 5-6 hours, them, about 3-4 hours them have me out there so.
Yeah.
So then take my car there so now. In a private car. Carry me go to the place.
Yeah, the yard.
The yard, and one of them say, yeah. You pick up the couch now, you're the right here, so you turn left. First, them in like me, and you mislead them of anything.
You go to prison.
Yeah, the penalty when me appear. So I say, big man, I have nothing for either, really. Boom. I say, yeah, we turn left here, so. go down. Them say just run, just show me the road where you drive pan. So we do exactly that, show them the road where we drive pan. Go down there, reaching at the car mart, same way. I reaching at the car mart, them say, yeah, which part you go? We go through the gate when I go, show them, say, yeah, I park right over there, so them park right where me park. Go show them some park. Anyway, them look around and them drive out. You know, them a do them things, so.
Yeah.
Reach back there, up at the place now. And them say, when you're done from there, so what you do? So I left and go back a fields. You know, go half a tree, max hill,
and go back up your office.
Fields. Yeah, go back to my workplace.
Yeah.
See? From there, so, and till now, when you come hold me or so, and ask me certain things. So, in that now, you know, when them question me look down the police and say, but you don't question me about things and so, me don't know nothing, so I'm sorry. Me a big man, let me go straight to you. This is about a missing girl, where we get missing, but over the media, you don't hear about it. I say, no, boss, like really like that.
Yeah.
Me one of my friends I work that show me a little things, but not like that. Me not really know nothing about it. So a man said, you don't know, so it's the location I go and take up the settee.
Yeah.
Me say, so what you say, boss? What you say to me? So, I'm so frightened. That's why I say, boss, so what you really say? So that's now everything just come to me. I say, right. Away this Father God. You say, anyway, Charlie, you don't have nothing to worry about. It's just a work again.
Yeah.
Them time the police them have me already, you know. Boom, they go me and me yard and question me and say, well, you don't have to worry about nothing, you know, because he's not a this and he's not a that.
Yeah.
So, boss, when me I get my truck, because my income that.
Yeah, because you're there, yeah,
and me have nothing to work off
right.
I hit my youth. Me and my sister and my sibling them and so with the round. See? You don't have nothing. I don't like we work with somebody. See? We want to pass left this thing and we have it. And we are try to keep it up and do the best ability.
Alright, so what make us so
honest bread me work.
So just one piece off of the 3 piece they make a carry and just the tall piece.
Yeah, just the tall piece.
And what color was it?
I think burgundy, either burgundy, some deep color, either burgundy brown, but me know it's a deep color.
The deep color.
It's mostly membrane like a burgundy.
Burgundy, that means if some blood would have deposited, you wouldn't know.
No, me not look for that, because that's a simple thing, and as I tell you, I respect every place you go, security, everybody let we. Me not go search people
and
thing
then,
or them thing.
And then we want to clear up the ear now, because they tell lie out there now, said, it's call again. Nobody never call you. The gentleman driving a grey car come at a Fields Hardware with 200 truck man there, and then you happen to be the one who get the work.
As I tell you?
Yes.
We work with so much people there, so we can't remember everybody. See?
Yeah.
You have your real customer where you have them and they name him, have your name, from him call him. So go there so and you do that and do that. We have a regular customer.
And the second thing, because I just clear more correct the news. That's
we have a regular people them now will come by.
Yeah.
Where maybe at the first
so you don't know this man from Adams nor Eve or the first you see him.
First me I work with this man. I don't know him. I don't know him or nothing. It's after police hold me and one bag of thing, take away my vehicle and me get to understand certain things. See him? I don't know this nothing about this.
Yeah, because people you see how the world shot.
Not more I have to ask someone get my number when I realize where I go on.
This man is a man now, people. Well, me myself, because when I got Fields Hardware people, I hire this man already to people. So you see how the world small. You understand? So Fields Hardware people is a place where anybody just come and hire a truck. So about 20 truck out there, so him just get picked out. And it wasn't the BMW come, it was a grey car come, people.
I no remember which vehicle, but I know I know BMW.
So you just remember say it's a grey car, other that. Alright, so people, so we want to stop the life on this gentleman now. And the man never get now $100,000. It was 5,000 Jamaican dollar. Them pay the man.
And more of them left me out of them problem, brother.
Yeah.
See, me a hard working man. See, me am a kidney to him. I don't want nothing, nobody do my daughter that.
Yes.
See, some don't want nobody come mix me up and talk them like a dirty thing about this and that and that. Hard working from the day I'm born, I'm not involved in nothing.
And people, let me tell you something.
I just set it, me carry from the apartment to half a tree at the car wash. I'm want people love off for me dog. Who know me and who don't know me, them dirty bad minded vibes. May God bless you to allow me.
Let me tell you something, people. This man and our people, I know this man a long time because I know some me had married the emperor. I go on the street. And him can't tell her. Even when him mother dead people, I come at the night. You understand? Because remember say me live up a Riddles Road, this up a Lee Strat estate. You understand? This man people in family is a hard working family. You understand? The man just die in workplace and them pick him out and cause him have the right truck and call him, and then now them drop the settee from upstairs and the man just put it in the truck, and when him put it in the truck, them got a car wash where somebody that already did it and wait for pull the gate down a half a tree people, and from the man let off the truck the settee people, the coach, him don't know nothing else from that people. So people and the police need to give back the man him truck now. That's the man can go about him daily activity, because from that people, the man now make no money people.
I want to know who are going to feed my youth, who are going to feed me. Eh? All of them things there. Yo, you know style. Father God see and know, you know, and God answer my prayer, you know, and the good Lord will fight my back. I mean, nothing to worry about.
No, that's why I'm coming here now. Because enough people who are run with the stories are the truck man involved. So me say, no, this sound too fishy. So me have to make sure come to make the people them know the truth. So people, so half a tree car wash people, you understand?
Me don't know a man, me don't know a girl who dead, me don't know this woman were involved in it, me don't know none of them were in this fuckery. And how am I name my headline? Eh?
You understand?
What me name my headline about? Uncle thing they can call me name say me love woman. Me don't want nobody call me name for no fuckery.
Alright, so Charlie, so know yourself, at least we're coming now. So the people them all over the world and all over Jamaica can stop follow the liar media now. You understand? So when you hear it go, the man never get a call, them come at man, so all them find the man number is a mystery. So the man could answer nobody why him not know. So no see why him never did answer the number, because I never call him, come with a grey car, come for give him the job. And the man just take the job people and go do the job and let out the job down at the car wash down at half a tree people, half a Maxwell Avenue, half a tree and Maxwell Avenue to the people. You understand? So I just said the people. So where you say now? Right down I want to road the name again. I can't remember the road the name.
Oh, the road where we carry place?
Yeah.
Just remember your name, you know. But it can lead you back to Maxi.
Yeah.
Go down through the battery places, so.
Yeah. Tropical battery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See him? On the road there, so. I do all of that, carry them. I'm sure all of that already. See him?
Yeah.
So, I saw me there in my yard.
Yes.
And sometimes sister them, people call me.
Yeah.
I show them things when them talk about me, send from phone.
Yeah.
See him? And police woman talk about me this and me that. Me say, Father God, them can say what they want to say. Because watch you now, me know what me know and God know what me do. And when me do, me I talk about. Me not add on and me not take off. Me don't know nothing else.
Yeah. So Charlie, thanks for the interview, my family. Yeah, son. Yeah, man. Thanks. We shall have it. Yeah, man. And people, one year Mr. Charlie talk about is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, people. You understand? Because I talk with certain police people because I know some have linked with the police them, because the Maroon Emperor. Same thing what Mr. Charlie tell me, are the same thing the police them tell my people. You understand? So I don't know say me don't go after what people say, me go after the real truth. You understand? So with their people, so I want to stop mix up the man, and the man need to get compensation. Mr. Charlie, if I was you, I'd go get a lawyer to make the government pay me back for the last time of my truck. Because I see you, sir, and I say you not make no money. So and the media need to stop to lie. The man never get no $100,000, the man get $5,000, the man drop off the burger and the truck, the coach people are the coach almost look at burger and the people. Then the man drive out. So let us find out the other people who pick up back the coach from that place. So people stop call the man name, stop tell lie upon the man, because we're not gonna mix up the ghetto people. We're not gonna mix up the man. You understand? So the emperor come here people because me are the truth. You understand? So people wanna see it. So please and thanks from today. Wanna like and share that video before them take it down. You understand? The man have nothing to do with nothing. Either my workplace, me and 20 other man is a competition place. Wanna pick out me and say how much of the truck. Because you go to another man first. The other man tell you a dear price. You come to me now and you ball up my price and take off $1,000 for it. I go pick up the coach and drop it from downstairs. My second L put it in the truck. Me are the driver, so I don't look on the coach, I don't try to look on the coach. Run go back in the truck. You drive with the grey car in front of me. Carry me over to half a tree to Max Hill. Boom, I drop off the gate open. I drop off the coach at the place. You block the road with the car, I collect my money, then cut. Then you try to call me back now to come find out which I live and where me there. I don't want nobody know me there. Because me and you not born. I don't know from nowhere. So the man them yard people. So Charlie, big up yourself. So they can't stop calling up any now family. You understand? So people